So yeah, how many did you get right, Saurabh?
Two right, sir.
That's perfectly fine. And Amisha?
Same, two.
Let's discuss them. Now I will speak more, and you guys will have to listen because this is now my turn. I don't deliver a lecture generally. Like I could have done this. I could have directly given you the phrasal verbs. That would have been that would have been, I think, a little less effective thing, because then you might have ignored them. Right now you have done something wrong, so you'll see like what the right versions are, and you will be more activated, I would say. Let's see. I hope that happens. So pull something off is to do it successfully. Oh, I pulled that off. I did it successfully. Water something down is to make it less effective, as in, you know, on purpose, deliberately, or maybe sometimes, in other ways also, or for other purposes also. Like I, you know, as in I add a lot of maybe emotional drama in a story to a story that would water it down. Iron something out is to resolve it. Suppose you are trying to find a solution to a problem, so you'll iron the problem or the solution out, or you would try to iron the as in you would try to iron a puzzle out when you want to iron a solution out or something like that, resolve it. Sink something in is to absorb it very carefully, as in, suppose you are sitting in a congregation, a religious one, and you are listening to the godman very carefully, so you're trying to sink it in so that you remember the teachings for long. Stand someone up. I You got it right, Amisha, right? I have been stood up. That is like someone did not come. Tear something down. This was a victory by Saurabh, I think. When you
Tear
tear
down.
a building down, you destroy it.
Mm.
Fill someone in, as in, you give someone the information. Suppose you were absent yesterday and something important happened, so your colleague will fill you in, as in, these things happened and all. There could be some other variations also, but we'll focus on these combinations only today. Deck something out is to decorate it. What did you guys write, as in, Amisha, for the deck one?
One Deccan.
And Saurabh?
Deck out, sir.
Deck out is right then. Okay, there could be some other combinations also, but we will not say you were right or wrong. I am not saying Amisha was wrong or Saurabh
Oh,
was right or the other things. Wait, Saurabh. Yeah, you tell me.
no, no, sir. Actually, I have right, but I consider as wrong. Deck out my correct. Yes. So
Yeah,
means I read three correct, including
the,
deck out.
well done. There are two phrasal verbs, die out and die off. Both mean something, as in, is extinct now, or something uh, is going to be extinct, or maybe has gone extinct. Now, there are other versions also in life, so I will not say Amisha is wrong here or Saurabh is wrong. We'll just say that
Mm.
these 10 are right and we can learn them. There could be some other versions also. There could be another combination also. There could be, as in, deck up also. So, we will not consider them today at all. We'll only learn the right things. We will not evaluate ourselves. Fish something out is to take it out, from somewhere. And
Yes.
as in, do someone in is to kill him or her. Right now you've gotten them, understood them.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. If you still have any questions, tell me. If you have any
Sir,
confusions. Mhm.
sir, what is the logic behind it? Mean, why it is happening that the verb plus adverb is a different kind of meaning? Mean, it's a already mean pre-decided by the rule grammatical who just made this English, or any logic behind it? Mean,
Sort of, what's
I'm
an
not.
idiom? Okay, first complete your thought. Sorry I interrupted you. Complete your thought.
No, no, sir. My ask question was this. Mean, what is the logic behind these phrasal verbs? Because both are the very different words, and once they meet, mean we keep keep this mean
Mm-hmm.
um, same place, then the
Mm.
word's meaning is different. So, what is the logic behind it?
This is called language variety, as in, phrasal verbs are kind of idioms only, or you can say they are idioms. Now, what are idioms? Words that seem to be something but mean something else. and idioms are there in Hindi also. So we could have
Mhm.
said, as in, why do we have this idiom? As in, let me think of one idiom in Hindi. Um,
सोने पे सुहागा.
then why could they not use something is very effective or something has added to the glory of something else? Why could they not say
Mhm.
एक और अच्छी चीज आ गई? Why did they say सोने पे सुहागा? So to add
Mhm.
as in glamour to the language or variety to the language, and if we have the right, then so do the then so do the English or Americans or other English users. So it's good to learn as in new things.
Okay. I mean,
And
there is no
as I
logic
told you,
sound.
logic is there, as in logic, the logic is that they are using them, they are using these
Mhm.
expressions, so we should also be learning them if we want to become proficient. And as in, if you even listen to a news reporter, most probably, as in an Indian one I'm saying, you might come across some phrasal verbs over there also, like I okay, let me show you an example only, why to as in speak only. Let me show you a piece of evidence. Wait. So in this video, Barkha is actually interviewing Karan Johar, and you'll see she'll use a phrasal verb, walk through, walk me through it, which means to take someone through a journey, as in mentally or something like that. Just listen to that part first. Wait.
said no. She said, give me a solfi. That's what I did. We solfied.
And did you solfi?
Yes, of course we
All
solfi.
three of you, or
We
only you
all
and the
were.
wife?
We were in a glorious solfi together.
With that video apology either, that you were maybe too apologetic, too craven, too not yourself. Walk me through how you look back at all of that now.
See, I mean, I would like not to walk through because those were tough times.
So did you notice that, Saurabh? Saurabh,
Walk through, sir. They
walk me
said
through
walk
it,
through.
right?
Walk through. Yes.
So see, phrasal verbs are quite common.
Mm.
One sec. So yeah, as in, did you understand that one? Walk me through it. Amisha, come back. So now, in walk me through it, through is not an adverb; it's a preposition. So I'll not get into the technical terms right now. Let's just say we have combinations. So now you understand the relevance of as in phrasal verbs at least, right, Saurabh?
Yes, sir.
And when you are in meetings and all, no, which is one of your purposes behind these classes, you'll see, as in, if you discuss something with someone educated, the probability is high that that person is going to use some phrasal verbs, as in
Mm.
naturally, organically, not forcefully. Okay. So,
Yes,
do you
yes.
want to discuss any of the phrasal verbs we did, or are you okay with them now?
Mm. So actually, first, uh,
Are the
Amisha,
meanings
you want
clear?
to?
I am not. I do not expect that you've learned them. Don't worry. I'm
Mhm.
just saying, are the meanings clear now? At least the meanings are clear because they have already been written for you. In the last column, you already see the meanings. So have you understood the terms at least? I'm not expecting that you have learned them, as in it's not easy to learn them in one go. So, as in, have you understood them at least? Saurabh?
Yes, sir. Meaning understand. Yes, sir. Definitely.
Yeah,
Meaning all meaning understand. Yes.
perfect. Wait.